Hi, my name is Mukesh. I'm from India and I'm an ACCA student. I've been preparing for ACCA papers with Vortex and I wanted to share my experience. I've used Vortex for AAA, SPL, and AFM, and the support which I've received has genuinely made a big difference in my preparation. The quality of course content is excellent. The explanations are clear, well structured, and exam focused, which helps me to understand the concepts much faster and apply them confidently in question practices. A major highlight for me has been the tutor support. For AFM, Ali sir has been extremely insightful. His way of breaking down complex topics and explaining exam relevant strategies has helped me understand the subject at a deeper level. And for AAA, Hari sir's exam drafting technique really helped me. The way he teaches how to structure answers, plan responses, and think like an examiner made a big difference in how I approach AAA. And Prerna ma'am evaluated all my practice papers and gave a detailed constructive feedback that helped me improve my techniques and presentation. The platform is very easy to use with everything organized neatly from lectures, notes, mocks, practice questions all in one place. And the courses are genuinely affordable, which makes it accessible for a lot of students. If you are an ACCA student looking for a strong guidance and a proper direction, I would definitely recommend Vertex Learning. It has helped me stay consistent, improve my weak areas, and feel much more confident for my exams. I really like to thank you and the entire Vertex team for all their support.